In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for G Suite for Education. The first step in getting the G Suite for Education is to complete the online sign-up form. During this process, you'll need to choose either use of existing domain, for example, myschool.com, or you'll need to purchase a new domain. If you choose to use an existing domain, please make sure that you have an access to your DNS records, as you'll need to verify ownership with Google. If you purchase a new domain as part of the sign-up flow, the domain verification will be automatically handled for you. Start by entering your institution name and institution type. Enter a website. This website will be used as part of the verification process to establish that you are an educational institution. You'll also need to select how many users you have. You'll need to enter a phone number that you can use for verification and recovery should you get locked out from your account. Enter address information for your organization. And then enter your first and last name and your current email address. Make sure you can receive an email at this email address, as all the information about your new domain will be sent to that email address. At this point, you'll need to enter a domain that you already own, or you can search for a new domain. If you purchase a new domain now, the ownership will be automatically verified. If you're using an existing domain, then you'll have to verify later by accessing your domain DNS record. I'm going to choose an existing domain so that I can show you this process in a later video. You'll then need to choose an admin username and password to access your admin console. Finally, you'll want to read and accept the G Suite for Education consent. And that's it. Your 14-day trials for G Suite for Education has now started. You can go straight to Setup page here, or you can access your admin console via the link that has been sent to the email address you provided during the sign-up process. In next video, I'll show you how to verify your domain ownership so that you can get set up using G Suite.